Building a modern workplace experience that works for people requires the right technology. Maptician is the all-in-one workplace management platform built for the way your people work today. Seat and room booking, presence awareness, a real-time analytics dashboard, signage, and visitor management, all in one intuitive platform. At the center of it all, Map Editor by Maptician, the industry's most flexible floor planning tool, built on architecturally accurate floor plans that put workplace intelligence at the heart of your real estate and people strategy. Built for enterprise complexity with a mid-market focus and feel, Maptician helps organizations turn workplace data into action, optimizing space, reducing costs, and elevating the employee experience. Exceptional workplace experiences don't happen by accident. At Maptician, our people and our platform make them by design.